Are you overwhelmed by your media library? Does updating alt text seem impossible? Meet Alt Audit, the game changer for image SEO. Alt Audit is a free WordPress plugin that fixes your image SEO, driving more organic traffic from Google Images and search. Tired of manually fixing thousands of images? Imagine not worrying about legal compliance. Alt Audit works seamlessly within WordPress. Our smart templates utilize dynamic variables for free offline generation without needing an API. Plus, with AI support, get alt text in over 130 languages tailored specifically to your images. Using Alt Audit is simple. Scan your library, create templates, run AI on complex images, review and maintain. Join countless WordPress site owners revolutionizing their SEO with Alt Audit. Enjoy free credits to test AI capabilities. Every image without alt text is a missed SEO opportunity. Install Alt Audit plugin free from WordPress.org and start ranking higher today.